What's up, Boss Lady crew? Back with another video. Yeah, y'all. What's up, guys? I'm back with another video. Y'all see this wig? That's from Boss Lady Collection. And I'm gonna be applying this wig for y'all. Yeah, y'all, that's my new wig line. Y'all can go to www.bosslady.com and y'all find all my new products, even my lace glue. Stick to me lace glue, baby. It's the best. It's the bomb. So, y'all, we gonna start by, bleaching these knots with the BW2 bleach. And we're going to take some 20 developer. That's all I had at the time. But it's still going to work. It's going to work out. And you know the mix. 1 to 1, 1 to 1. 2 to 2, 2 to 2, I just mix it until I get that consistency right there. Once I'm done mixing, I'll put it all over the inside of the wig. Baby, we got to bleach these knots. We going to bleach these knots, y'all. Yeah, y'all. Y'all see it? We're going to let it sit for a good while. Pull the hairs back so they won't get bleached. And they be blind. You know how that be. Yep, y'all. We're going to let that sit for a while. So this is what y'all do when y'all get your wig. Y'all wait till them knots turn, like skin-like. Then we're going to rinse it. See how them waves is, baby? Listen. And I'm going to wash it with this shampoo and conditioner. Bring them curls and that stuff back to life. And it still feel good. You know how you touch some weave and the weave felt shitty afterwards after you to put bleach on there? No, not this one right here, baby. This feel actually good. And then I got that thing because it was dripping wet. Yep, I had to put something down so it'll catch the water. Look how I look. I'm about to pre-pluck it, y'all. And then, after I'm done pre-plucking it, let it air dry. And we're going to stall it, baby. Look at them curls, y'all. It feels just like it look. Good. Yeah, y'all. And I'm about to put this stocking cap on. Man, I look like I'm about to go rob something or something. This stocking cap all the way down to my face like that. So I do the same thing you see me doing on this side. I'm doing the same thing I'm doing on the other side. Pulling my ear through. And we go spray some of that Gots to Be on that head. And then we're going to let that dry with that blow dryer. Then we're going to take some makeup. And we're going to put it on that cap. Because now it's dry from the Gots to Be. We done blow dried it. There you go. We're trying to get his skin color. Get his same color as your skin. Now I'm going to cut it. Same thing you see me doing over here. It's the same thing I'm doing on the other side, y'all. Because we got to speed this video up. And I'm going to be taking some alcohol. Wiping my forehead off from all that makeup. Take some a scalp protector. Because, you want your skin to breathe, be protected underneath that wig, that lace. And the same thing I did on the top of my wig cap is the same thing. I'm putting the same color in the inside. So it can match skin to skin. Perfect skin color. And this is just some cheapo foundation that I got from, I think either from Dollar Tree or maybe the hair store. I don't know, y'all, but Put a couple of dollars. A cup. Just to put on the wig. Put some on the front and in the back. We gotta match it up, baby. Match it up. Don't be scared. Then we take some Got2b, spray the inside, and blow dry that sucker. And then we trying it on. Ooh, perfect. See how that match perfect? Skin to skin. Now I'm taking my lace glue.
Boss Lady Simone, stick to me lace glue, baby.
I know. Let it focus on her.
Is it focused?
Yep.
It's focused.
Yep.
Is it focused? Okay. Okay.
Where you let it dry in between each layer. Baby, I was so thirsty. I just love my products, y'all. I just love them. Y'all might hear my baby girl in the background. But anywho, after I'm done letting that glue dry, I put the lace wig on. I ain't doing nothing but pressing the taking the rat tail comb, pressing the lace wig inside the glue that's dry, and then I'm taking the blow dryer. You could take it on cool, warm, or hot, high or low, whatever you want to do, and just, you know, let that lace wig, you know, dry up in there. And I'm gonna take my bend and let that sit on there. Ooh, wait, baby. Baby, it's gonna be melted. Melted like a cheese toast. Look at it. Look at it. It's melting, baby. It's melting. Yeah, you probably could see the little glue a little bit because I was so thirsty. I ain't let it dry all the way. I mean, take it from me, y'all. Let it dry all the way until it's clear. And but I'm gonna show you how to get rid of that though. So what you do is, all you do is put that band back on top. That's all you do. When you got like little still got glue, just put your band back on top. It'll melt it. And then be careful when you cutting yourself with your razor. Be careful, baby, because you can't cut yourself. You can use scissors if you need to, but I decided to use my razor, y'all. Yeah. Take some of them hairs out. You could, I'm cutting the lace wig right there too, y'all, because make it look realistic. Yep. It's gonna look good, y'all. You see, it's gonna even burn. It's burning too right now. Okay. So now, y'all, I'm taking my hot comb and I'm just hot combing the top of my hair out how I want my hair to lay. I put my slick stick in there. It's that She's Bomb. I use that one. I mean, but if you got another one that you want to use, you can, you know, use that one. But I use that one instead. And that's the only one that I had left, you know, had around the house. So I put it exactly where I want it to be flat and how I want it to be. And when it don't stop right here, y'all, still got a couple of more steps. I just took a little more because that's where I want it to be flat. And then I'm taking my, I part out the baby hairs, as you can see. And then I'm taking my holding spray, Tresemme. And then I'm spraying the lace. And I'm putting my band back on there so it can be melted. This off camera, y'all. I had cut my baby hairs, shaped them with some mousse, and put that wrap thing on there and let it, you know, blow dried it for about 30 minutes. And yeah, sure, there you go. And now I'm about to take my you see me picking with it. Want to make sure everything is nice and neat, everything is blended in. So now I'm just taking my water, and it's got a little bit of conditioner. But I wouldn't recommend it. Next time I just use regular water and the mousse and the twisted curl stuff. It's by Got to Be. But it still was cute, y'all. I love it, love it, love it. Girl, I thought I was the shitness when I was done. And I'm taking my wig brush up and I'm combing it out.
Come on.
And it got a little mirror on the back so I can see myself. Look at that. Ooh. And she was born. I got it good. I'm not zooming in. Like I said, y'all can go on www.bossladysimone.com, and those lashes I'm wearing, that's on Boss Lady. Those are damn, which ones are those? I forgot. But that lip gloss, that's my Boss Lady Simone lip gloss as well. It's on my website. That lip gloss is Georgia Peach, and the lashes is damn, y'all, I think they're Run It Up. I think they Run It Up, y'all. See, y'all, I thought I was cute with lace, baby. She is cute. Look at that. That is cute. Baby, she thinks she Pocahontas. It's giving. It's giving.